Are you unable to open a password protected PDF file? In this video, we will see a very simple and effective method to unlock and open a secure PDF file. Sometimes, when we download bank statements or academic certificates or any official documents which come as a password protected PDF file, if we know the password, it is very simple to open. But each and every time if it asks for a password, we want to remove that password so that it can be accessed easily. For this, how can we do an effective method has been said in this video. Now we will open that PDF file. I have a PDF file here. Now I'm opening this PDF file with the correct password which I know. Now it asks for the password. I'm giving the password. A PDF file gets opened. But each and every time I can't type the password, so I have to remove this password. So I'm just right clicking this PDF file and I'm giving us open with Google Chrome. Now it asks for the password again. I'm giving. Now it open as a PDF file in this browser. Now go to the file print option here and give Microsoft print to PDF, that is save as PDF option. You just choose, and when you select the save as PDF option, it opens the document after the authentication, that is after giving your password only this document gets open, and this converts the visible content into a new PDF file, removes the original file which allows with the password. So that is why when you give the new PDF, it will open without asking for a password. Click the save and choose the location and store as a new file. I'm giving a salary 1. Now you just give a try. Here I'm giving a salary 1. I'm just clicking open. Now it will open without asking me for a password. So this method works only if you know the correct password. And you can remove by opening the save as PDF option. That is, you can unlock only your own or authorized documents, since print to PDF works because it generates a new unlocked copy of the document. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.